Assalamu alaikum dear students, how are you? Hope all of you fine. Welcome to NIVS Home School. This is Daliya Sultana, an assistant teacher National Ideal English Version School. Today I would like to take a math class for junior 1. Dear students, our today's topic times table of 5. Our today's topic times table of 5. Our lecture number 6 and homework 6. Lecture number 6 and homework also 6. Students, look at the board. Times table of 5. Times table of 5. 5. And remember that you must repeat after me. Listen and repeat after me. 5 0 is 0. 5 1 5 ones is 5. 5 twos are 10. 5 threes are 15. 5 four are 20. 5 fives are 25. Yes, 5 fives are 25. 5 6 are 30. 5 sevens are 35. 5 eights are 40. 5 nines are 45 and 5 tens are 50. Okay. There I repeat. 5 0 is 0. 5 ones are 5. 5 twos are 10. 5 threes are 15. 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25, 5 6 are 30, 5 sevens are 35, 5 eights are 40, 5 nines are 45, 5 tens are 50. See your homework CW to SW, that is times table of 5, that is your homework. So dear students, submit your homework on Saturday 9 AM to 3 PM and do